back row. 8 and 1 and down. You take it up, rolling through every single vertebrae. This should feel so good. Now let's take it to a contract release. You take it up and down. Beautiful. Shoulder press, right and left. Press it right, left. All right, dancers, take it to a side lunge. You take it right, left. Keep the side lunge going. We're going to turn the feet out to the corners. Right, left. Feet back parallel, flat back squat. And take it down and up. Yes, release your hands down to the floor. Squat pulse. Down, releasing your head, neck, and shoulders. Try to hold tension there. But straighten those legs. Walking to your right leg, lengthening the right arm up towards the ceiling for a straight leg stretch. Breathing here. Slowly walking to that other side. Coming back to the center. We're going to hold for 4, 3, 2, 1. Plie, rolling up right hand on the bar. Flat back reach. Take it out. And through, keeping your head in line with the spine, not cutting off the line at your neck. Last 8. Keep this going. Single counts. Add your plie. Out. Plie. Let's hold it in a flat back. Hold. Plie rolling up. Arm stretch into the bar. Reach. And away. Stretching out the sides of our body. Remember, we're still just warming up. Let's keep this going. Single counts. You take it in. Away. Turn to face your bar. Walk in place. Pedal it out. Right leg in the front for forward lunge. Step that left foot back. Stretching out that calf here. Flap up over. Straighten the legs for 8. Taking it easy still. We're just warming up. Let's bring it back up for 4. Flap back over for 4. 2 sets of 2s. You bring it up and over. Taking it easy still. Single counts. Up and over. Beautiful, ladies. Let's release your hands down to the floor. Flexing that right foot back, getting deeper into your calf. Keeping that breath going. We're going to hold for 4, 3, 2, 1. Plie, rolling up, grabbing the hold of the bar. Switch out the legs. Left leg in the front. And flat back over, straighten for 8. Bring it up, bend for 4. Flat back over, straighten for 4. Beautiful. We have 2 sets of 2s. Up and over. Single counts. Here we go. And straighten. Nice. Relax your hands down to the floor. Flexing that left foot back up towards the shin. You hold for 4, 3, 2, 1. Grab a hold of that bar. Right leg straight behind you. Flat back over. Leg lift. Up. Up. So we're really turning out that leg here. Knee should be out to the side. The right toe will go down and up. Touchdown lift. Touch. Really isolating that glute. Warming it up. Okay, ladies, let's take that leg back to the ceiling. Back to leg lift. Up. Up. Keeping those arms straight. Shoulders straight as well. Last 8. Standing on that right leg, let's take the left leg up. Here we go, leg lift. Up. Beautiful transition, ladies. Nice and seamless. Pointing through that foot, lengthening behind the knee. Yes, toe goes down and up. Touchdown lift. Let's do it. Touch, lift. If you start to feel this in your lower back at all, take the leg a little lower. Yeah? We're going to have to protect our spine first. Last 2 8s of warm up. Let's take that leg up. Back to leg lift. Up. Up. We should still be engaging our core here. Navel to the spine. Come on, ladies. Last 8, 7, 6, 5, plie section. Bring that right hand on the bar. Legs should be wider than the hips. Starting off with grand plies in 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. In this position, your knee should be going over your toes. Think more of your knee going over your middle toes instead of your big toes. Really getting that turn out here. Stay down, baby plies. Down, down. Last eight. We're staying down in our deepest plie here. Let's isolate those kneecaps for a knee press back. Sit back, back. The movement should just be happening in your kneecaps. Try not to roll in and out on your feet. Last eight. Come up high in your releve, grand plie in releve. Up and down. Beautiful. Look at these girls. Girls, I mean women. Come on. Yes. Let's take it down, baby plies. You're telling me that's the lowest you can go? Push yourself a little lower. Last 8, 7. Ooh. Stand up tall, up and over, forward crunch. So in this position, we're up on our highest releve possible. Lengthening behind the knees. We're just working our upper abdominals here, trying to get into your pelvis. Let's bring that right hand off the bar. Hold that balance. And stepping out into second position, so that left leg will come in for 4, 3, 2. That left leg comes out, attitude plie. Up, step it out. Keeping this motion going, attitude leg swing front and back. Front, back. Yes, watch your neighbors, make sure you don't kick them. Yeah, keep it going. One more. 8, 7, 6, 5. Holding that leg in the back for a quick back attitude balance right here. Bringing that right arm off the bar. Lengthen lower down. Let's get to the other side. Left hand on the bar. Feet first position. Plies. Breathe. We only made it through one side. We got another side to do. I know. Yeah, one more. 8. We're going to stay down. Baby plies. Come on. Staying down on our deepest plie here, we're going to roll through our feet, belly releve. Up. I know, like a little fiesta. Staying up in your releve, we're going to take it in for a glute squeeze. In. Yeah, just isolating those glutes, warming them up. Come on, ladies, last 8. Finishing off our plie section, let's do it. Grand plie in releve. Up, down. By this point, your legs should be burning. If they're not burning, you gotta go lower. I don't know what else to tell you. Stay down. Last 2 8s, baby plies. Down. Really engage that core. Navel to the spine. Take it lower for this last 8. Push. Ow. I know. Standing up tall, up and over, forward crunch, breathe, let it out. Bring that left arm off the bar, hold that balance, hold, lengthen, fight for it. Stepping out into second position, bringing that right leg in too soon. In, step it out. Take advantage of that deep plie here. Attitude plie, here we go. And down. Keep this motion going. Attitude leg swing front and back. Front, back. This should feel absolutely amazing on your hips. Don't hold any tension here. Release it here. 8, 7, 6, 5. Holding that leg in the back for back attitude balance right here. Take advantage of this balance. Bring that left arm off the ball. Hold, reach. I got superstars here. Shake it out. All right, we're gonna move to our condu section. So bring your feet together, facing your bar. Starting off with our left leg. We're gonna be coming in and out for 2 8s. Starting at 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. In. Breaking down your foot, toe ball heel every single time. Remember, it's still really early in our class. We're still warming up here. Right leg, switch it up for 2. 8s. that left leg. This time for only 8. You have 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Right leg for 8. The leg that's handling always stays straight. Really lengthening behind that knee. Switching to the left leg for 4, 4, 3. Right leg for 4. 2 sets of 2. Left and right. Alright, let's take it single counts. Here we go. Left, right. In this position, it's really easy to start rocking back and forth and lifting the hips. Eliminate that. It's just the legs. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and shake it out. Woo. We're still going to be facing our bar, warming up the glutes a little more. So that left toe is going to go to the back left corner. Arabesque touchdown lift starting in 5, 6. Now find your position. Here we go. Up, up. Down. 2 more 8s here. This is like the colorful bar. This is the bar that like maybe is going through some things right now. Keeping that left leg going, let's wrap the left leg around the body, add it to the leg, lift, up. We still got this twirl going, so we're still like alive, we're in it, but we're still like very soft. Keeping that turn on here, try not to drop that knee at all, yeah, up, up. Stay with me, ladies, last 8. Immediately getting into that other side, the left leg will go down, right toe to the back right corner, arabesque touchdown lift. That toe should just lightly be tapping on the floor, so pointing through the foot, lengthening behind the knee. You know the drill. I did the checklist, you know what I mean? You know, 2 more 8s. Check in with that touch at your bar. Make sure it's light. Light touch like your fingers are feathers. We're playing a piano. Wrap the right leg around the body. Attitude leg lift. Let's do it. Up, up. Your glute should be on fire. My glute is on fire just watching them do it. So I really hope you viewers at home, your glute is popping. Come on, 2 more 8s. Hey. You got this. Last 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, and lower down. Shake it out. Woo. Moving to our Gramba Malas next, so bring your right hand on the bar. The left leg will be in front in fifth position. Brushing the leg up and down, hitting fifth position every single time. Let's do it, ladies. Here we go. Yeah, towel off. It's a toasty one in here. Warming them out. Okay. Keeping the Gramba Mala going, we're going to take the leg to the side, crossing front first. Side, crossing front, and back. Still hitting that fifth position every single time. Yep. Slightly angling your body into the bar. The left leg will go straight behind you. Up and down. Check in with your own body here. Make sure that left leg is straight behind you, not out to the side at all. So crossing over that left shoulder. Square the body off. The leg will go back to the side, crossing back first. Breathe. Yeah. Beautiful, ladies. Last 8. We're immediately turning over to that other side. Bring your left hand on the bar. Right leg goes up to the front. Here we go. That turnover, Elena, was everything. She's like, with hair. Ha! Okay, let's take that leg to the side, crossing front first. Here we go. Now, Elena's my good friend through Cardio Bar. And it's just funny that every time I see her, I'm usually wearing like all black, and she's always in pink. She always looks like Malibu Barbie, doesn't she? Slightly angling your body into the bar, right leg straight behind you. Here we go. And then the other day, she came with this beautiful spray tan. She's like, you should come with me. I'm like, I would look like a Dorito with the hair and the skin blending into one. Ugh. Square the body off, the leg goes back to the side, cross back first, side, cross it back. See, look, we're already done this side pretty much. Look at that. Come on, keep going.